How to change Bluetooth audio bits per sample on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on developer options. In developer options, you want to scroll down, and in here you want to tap on Bluetooth audio bits per sample. Tap on that, and from the list, select one of the available options. Now it said here, some of the options are disabled or grayed out, and it means not supported by phone or headset. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.